Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Well, in today's video, what I normally do is for the past week, I will shop on different days, and I'll take footage if I see some new stuff. So I'm going to be shopping my local Home Goods, and then on a different day when I go to visit my mom, you'll see clips where I'm over in Seminole at the Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. So that's going to be a lot of fun to see what's in the stores. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video and share with you what I found. Fall. This has the gold stem on there, and then this is priced at $16.99. And then this one over here says gather, and this one's priced $14.99. How cute are those pumpkins? And then down here I spotted the little gnomes. I think these are adorable, and these light up. And this is priced $19.99. And then there's another pumpkin here. Then you got this one in white that says Happy Fall. And this one is priced $14.99, and this actually looks kind of matte finished. And then down here they got this blush colored pumpkin. It says blessed with the gold stem. And you got this with the spooky skeleton hands on there. So I'm gonna walk around the store and see what else I can find. back over here in Seminole, and it's around 6 o'clock in the evening, and look what I found. Morning pumpkin. How cute are these? Price $9.99. So this whole row here is nothing but morning pumpkin. This one over here, we got pumpkin love. There's about 4 of them. And then the little gnome here that says give thanks. That's really cute. And then you got handsome devil up here. It says wicked witch. Let's see how much these are priced. $12.99. So I didn't expect to find all this coming here late in the afternoon, but I did. And then you have this one over here. Oh my gourd. And then in the back, you have a couple more mugs that say trick, and I'm sure there's treat on the other side. And let's see, then back here, we have over here, this little rack of all these mugs. It says boo, magic, witchy, and spooky. Those are pretty cute. Let's see if there's a price if I can find it, which is probably going to be on the bottom. And you got all this other stuff here, so I don't want to break anything. And then back here, you got a little sign that says cheers, witches. And some more little things over here in the back. Let's see what this says. Oh my gourd, with a little pumpkin on top. So anyways, I'm gonna walk around the store and see what else I can find. This before. Look how cute this is. Oh my lord, I like this. It's got the little bee on top. How cute is that for the sugar? It says sweet, and this one says cream. Oh, I think this is really cute. I might have to get this. $14.99. Never seen this one before. I think I'll put this in my cart. And then here's the little tacos. These are priced $9.99. I love all this stuff. And then the tortillas right here. And this is price, which might be on the bottom. Let's see. This one's also $14.99. So you got quite a bit of different stuff here in the store. So let's go see what else I can find. Well, I just found this whole set here. You got tacos, you got the little dishes that say salsa and guacamole, and then you have tortillas. Now this set cost $39.99. For all the guys who love football, look what I found over here. It says game day in black and one in white. And you have a bunch more down here. This one says touchdown. And you have it in black and white also. And let's see what the price on these are. These are priced $7.99. So how cool are these if you're into football? And they have quite a few here. And some more up here. Spotted. I cannot believe all the stuff they have here. Hello fall. Look at this one. I haven't seen this one before. Boo with the little pumpkin on top. How cute is that? And this purple beware with the cat. Then you got the pumpkin love, and then you got the oh my gourd and that pretty green color. Another give thanks. Here's the boo. And over here, hello fall. There is a ton of them over here in this store in Seminole by my mom. I keep picking up more and more things and putting them in my cart. So there you go. And then in the back stock room, I asked the girl, I said, oh, I spotted something on a tank in the back room. Could you get me the bowl? So I found the, here it is, mashed potatoes. And the girl went nicely in the back and brought that out to me. Well, I'm super excited to share with you what I found. I don't have a lot of stuff because I keep buying so much stuff, and what's going to happen is I'm going to have no room to store this stuff and try to find little places under the bed, in my closet, behind things, and try to store those until the holiday's over with. But I was really surprised that in Home Goods they had all those mugs with the toppers on there, and even when I went back a couple days later, they had some still sitting on the shelves. So of course I had to pick up the morning pumpkin. This is so cute, and I don't have this saying, so I'm definitely wanted to purchase this. And even though it has a little topper, I'm definitely going to be using this mug to drink out of. And this is priced $9.99. And then the next one, of course, you saw there was a ton of these. Give thanks. They're so cute with the little gnome. This is an orange. Also, this is priced $9.99. And I've noticed, I was online the other day and they had some of these mugs with the toppers. They're charging $16.99, and then I believe I saw a witch one that was priced $19.99. So they're definitely charging you more for online, and I heard, I don't know if it's the reason why, but somebody said to keep from people buying multiples of it for the price being high. But anyways, I think it's so fun to hunt for the item and then find it. And then of course, I found this one that says pumpkin latte, and I've used this to make my pumpkin spice latte drink in it. And it's got the little topper, so when I'm not using it, I just put the topper on and then put it away. And then I think I'll take these out. I gotta take these out of the box. They came in a set. How cute are these? This is the first time that I've spotted these, and I was like, yes, I want these. I think these are so cute with the little spiders on there. One says creepy, and the other one says eek, and these are priced $12.99. And I picked up two of them because one of them has a different saying. This one says creepy, and the other one says scary. So I'm thinking I'm going to use these on the coffee bar. I think that'd be really cute. I love the little dangling spider. Let me take one of these out of the box. And I have a ton of orange mugs, so I thought, you know what, this year I'll do something different, and I would love to find the canisters. They have the canisters with the little spiders on there. I think these are just adorable. And of course, there's nothing on the back. And let's see, and then my next item, which is not Halloween or fall, couldn't pass this up. I think this is really cute because, again, for spring or summer, I always like changing up stuff. Let's see if I can get this out. This is the sugar and creamer. Yeah, let's see if I can get it out. Without breaking it. Well, no, they got it. They got it in here pretty good. Okay, here we go. I don't want to break, I'll have to show you, I broke something the other day. How cute is this? It's so petite. This little, this is going to be the sugar bowl. It says sweet on there with the little bee on top. It's yellow and black. It's so cute. And that'll be something different to put on my coffee bar for spring or summer. And then it comes with the little creamer here, and it says cream. And then it's got the little ridges on there. I just think this is really cute. And this was priced $14.99. And then I have 2 more items to share with you. Now this was not Rae Dunn, but I picked this up over at Home Goods. Now this was $12.99. Well, I purchased the words on Etsy. They're really cute. It says Witch's Brew. Now the website that I bought it from, I'll link that down below. I got this for $2.49 and it allows 2 words, so I got Witch's Brew. Now if you want to put words on other things, you can always go with the alphabet. It comes in a whole sheet with all the letters. You can get them in white and black. I had purchased that last year for a few of my items, but I thought this was really cute, and you got to be real careful when you put the letters on that they're straight, because it's definitely not straight. And then when I was sitting at the counter, something with the lid, it hit the top of my counter and it chipped it in the back here. Thank God it's in the back. You're not going to see it when I use it in one of my displays. But this came from Home Goods for $12.99, and I just think this is perfect to go along with any of your Rae Dunn items. Well, I have one more item that I want to share with you. I am super excited because this has been sitting in my closet for a couple months. I got it a couple months ago from her, and I kept meaning to bring it out so I could share with you guys on one of my Rae Dunn hauls. So anyways, I met this girl on Instagram. Her name's Lisa, M-I-S, Lisa. That's the name she goes by on Instagram. She is so talented. She hand paints these on the Rae Dunn birdhouses. This is so awesome. I absolutely love this and cannot wait to use this for Halloween. I'm going to link her information down below. She also has a Mercari account where she sells her birdhouses. Now, her prices are ranging from $45 to $55, and she ships for around $11 on the birdhouses. Now, I was real surprised because I was thinking that I would give her one of my birdhouses and then she would hand paint it for me. The $45 to $55 range includes the birdhouse, so I just thought that was an awesome deal. And I was real lucky enough that she has family that lives by my mom, so me and her were able to meet up, and she gave me my birdhouse. So I'm going to have her information linked down below, and she can also paint any kind of scene you want on the birdhouses that you want. The only thing she doesn't do portraits. And then what I like on some of the birdhouses, she'll leave the words. There was one that said fly on there, and it had the witch, and it had like the moon and all that, and it was so cool. So I'm definitely going to order another one from her again. And then the last thing is my nails. I always have so much fun getting my nails done. I got these in the bright orange, and they have some little stickers on there, some little I think there's a witch, there's a little pumpkin on there. So I always have fun doing my nails. Well, before I end this video, I want to share with you what I have over on the side of my hearth here. I'm using a Rae Dunn pumpkin that I turned around, and I absolutely love this basket from Home Goods for $14.99. And I'm using these birch logs here that I have in the basket here. I thought this was really cute. Now, I saw some over at Home Goods, and when I went back, they were gone. So these came from Bed Bath & Beyond for around $18, and I thought this looked really cute here on my hearth. And then over here, I use another one of my Rae Dunn pumpkins. I decided to turn it around and use it this way with no words, but it says Happy Fall, y'all. This is priced $19.99. This is one of their large pumpkins, and also this is the large size as well. But I think it looks good here with the stuff that I did on my mantle. So I'll share with you that, how I decorated my mantle in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing all the stuff that was in my stores. So until next time, happy decorating.